First, I'm starting out with my eyebrows using the Benefit Cut Brow number 4, and I'm just going to do my normal routine. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this contour palette from E.L.F, and this is in the shade Light Medium, and I'm going to take this color and put this all over my entire eyelid and blend it out. This color is lighter, so I'll be slowly packing it on to intensify the color. Now taking the darker shade, I'm going to put that on the outer corners of my eyes as well as the lower third of my lower lash line. Then taking a big fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the colors. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in Waterproof. Now going into the E.L.F. bronzing palette, I'm going to take the mixture of the browns and use that to bronze up my face, starting off with my jawline first. I'm also taking this color onto my forehead as well as contouring my nose. Now moving on to another mascara. This is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher, and I'm going to use this to lengthen my lashes. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Megalast lipsticks in Stand and Storm. This has been my favorite lipstick for a really long time. It's a perfect my lips but better type of color, and it's just really pretty. And that completes the look.